Hello and good morning, students. Now we are going to read some of the small topics of digestion portion. Dental cavities means छोटी छोटी cavities which are formed due to the action of acid forming bacteria. मतलब बैक्टीरिया की वजह से जो छोटी छोटी कैविटीज बन जाती है टीथ में दैट आर कॉल्ड डेंटल कैविटीज. नेक्स्ट इज डेंटल प्लाक. Sticky chipchipa yellowish layer of food particle is on our teeth is called dental plaque. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is an unicellular and eukaryotic organism. Unicellular means made up of one cell, and eukaryotic means it contains well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. And the mode of nutrition in it is heterotrophic mode. And heterotrophic mode may be कौन सा holozoic means in the form of a solid material. Correct? So you can say to it phagocytosis also. Cyto means cell, phago means in the solid form. So process of obtaining food in the solid form is called phagocytosis. And if you have remember last year we read the functions of plasma membrane, that is of diffusion, osmosis and endocytosis, exocytosis. And endocytosis further of three types. Number one was phagocytosis, pinocytosis and receptor mediated. So endocytosis जब हम सेल के अंदर लेने की बात करते हैं so that is called endocytosis. And phagocytosis में भी सेल के अंदर फूड लिया जा रहा है. In the holozoic mode, the steps are same: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion. Amoeba की कोई particular shape नहीं है. We read many time कि amoeba has not a proper shape and size, and it is a nucleus, and rest of that organelles are there. All the organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, all are there. Food particle is there. अमीबा का कोई पर्टिकुलर माउथ नहीं है. इट कैन टेक फूड फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द पॉइंट. कोई पर्टिकुलर शेप साइज नहीं है और किसी भी पॉइंट से ये खाना अंदर ले सकता है. सपोज हेयर द फूड पार्टिकल इज देयर, तो साइटोप्लाज्म जो होता है वो उसी डायरेक्शन में मूव करता है एंड प्रोड्यूस जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू ये प्रोड्यूस फॉल्स फीट दैट आर कॉल्ड स्यूडोपोडिया और फॉल्स फीट. एंड बाय दैट स्यूडोपोडिया द फूड इज which is found in a solid form is engulfed, यानी अंदर की तरफ लिया जाता है. As food enter the lysosome cell organelle, which is covered by one membrane and called suicidal bag, cover the food particle and form food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, food is digested. The digested food is transported in every part of the body, amoeba's body, by the cytoplasmic streaming. यानी cytoplasm हर जगह ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है उस डाइजेस्टेड फूड को, एंड एट दैट एरिया इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड एंड एसिमिलेटेड एंड द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड इज रिलीज्ड आउट. Nutrition in paramecium, it is also unicellular and eukaryotic organism, but the difference in amoeba and paramecium that paramecium has a particular shape and size and it takes food from a particular point. We cannot say to it mouth, but it takes food from this particular point. Entire body is covered by tiny cilia and the two flagella are there at the anterior end. मतलब सामने की तरफ दो flagella हैं. One is larger and another is smaller. So यहाँ पे अगर इसको food particle है तो by the beating movement of cilia it is transported to this entry point. And rest of the procedure is same like amoeba, that it is covered by lysosome and digested, absorption, assimilation and the food is released out. The next procedure is respiration. Simple meaning of respiration is that exchange of environment O2 and CO2 during oxidation of food for release of energy. मतलब जो हम रेस्पायर कर रहे हैं उसका मेन एम क्या है? रिलीज ऑफ एनर्जी. मेन पर्पस ऑफ दैट इज टू रिलीज एनर्जी फॉर कंडक्टिंग आवर एक्टिविटीज. तो ये एनर्जी रिलीज कैसे होती है, ये ऑक्सीजन कैसे ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है, एंड हाउ दैट CO2 ट्रांसपोर्टेड बैक, दैट इज द पॉइंट टू स्टडी. तो सिंपल मीनिंग तो ये है लाइक C6H12O6. As in the process of digestion we read glucose is the simplest carbohydrate and it absorbed by blood capillaries and transported to every cell. Clear? So this glucose is oxidized in presence of oxygen and produces CO2, water and energy. CO2, water and energy. You can say to it is a catabolic reaction. Catabolic means when the complex component converted into simpler component. जब कोई complex component जो होता है वो simpler में convert होता है तो it's called catabolic. And anabolic में था simpler to complex. So this glucose is oxidized, produce CO2 that we released out, water, energy stored in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that is also called energy currency of the cell. और हम इसे ही utilize करते हैं for our activities. First of all, we will read about the steps of respiration. There are mainly two steps. One is very familiar to all of us, that is called breathing, यानी जिसको हम कहते हैं सांस लेना. And second is cellular respiration, which takes place in the cell only. Breathing is also called external procedure, क्योंकि इसमें बाहर के पार्ट्स यानी हमारा नोज, एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड ऑर्गन्स इन्वॉल्व है. लाइक नोज है तो बाहर से वो O2 ले रहा है, बाहर से गैस ले रहा है, सो इट इन्वॉल्व द एक्सटर्नल पोर्शन एंड इट टेक्स ओनली द इंटरनल पोर्शंस ऑफ द बॉडी, मीन्स इनसाइड द सेल. Breathing is called a physical process because it doesn't involve any type of enzyme, any type of chemical reaction. कुछ involve नहीं है, केवल organs involve हैं which transport it from out to in O2 and in to out CO2. So that's why it is called physical. Cellular respiration is called biochemical because it involves some types of enzymes which helps in oxidation of glucose into CO2, water and energy. During this breathing, we just take O2 in and released out CO2. Whereas, as I told you, during the cellular respiration, food is oxidized by the exchange of gases. Like ये cell है, a group of cell ये tissue है, यहाँ पे O2 काफ़ी ज़्यादा है एंड इनसाइड द सेल इट इज़ वेरी लो एंड ये प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है एंड हमें ये पता है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू O2 और CO2 बाय द सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्यूजन कैन ट्रांसपोर्टेड. जो लास्ट ईयर 9th का सेल चैप्टर था उसमें स्टार्टिंग में ये दे रखा था हाउ द मूवमेंट ऑफ O2 एंड CO2 टेक्स प्लेस. सो बाय द सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफ्यूजन O2 इज आउटसाइड मीन टिश्यू, इन टिश्यू फ्लूइड O2 is high comparatively to inside the cell, so O2 will come from high to low, means inside the cell, and inside the cell CO2 is high because of oxidation of food comparatively to outside, so it will move from in to out. These are two gases and doesn't require any type of carrier protein or membrane protein. These are gases can simply exchange or simply transported by the help of diffusion. Breathing, you can say to it extracellular because cell doesn't involve in, it takes place outside the cell, whereas cellular respiration is intra, means inside the cell. जो भी होगा इस सेल के अंदर होगा, इस सेल के अंदर ग्लूकोज इनसाइड दैट सेल, ये कंप्लीट जो रिएक्शन है C6H12O6 से लेकर यहाँ तक जो होगा वो कंप्लीटली सेल के अंदर होगा. थर्ड पॉइंट इज ड्यूरिंग दिस ब्रीथिंग एनर्जी इज नॉट रिलीज्ड and during that energy will be released in the form of ATP. Breathing involves some of the organs like lungs and gills, and जबकि cellular respiration will occur in all cells of the body. Body की हर cells में होगा cellular respiration. Now in the next video I will tell you about the human respiratory system.